gonna ring the bell. Good morning. First, thanks Peter for that great donation and your nice comments. I'm gonna do some bike riding, some motorcycle games. I did make a couple clips the other day, and I had some questions about how people get cystic fibrosis. I'm that beginner. I'm that ignorant. How people get it, what they do to maintain their life. What are people like? Who are they? There's so many questions. One thing I found out is they're pretty much, not pretty much, they're diagnosed at birth, like in their newborn examination by the doctor. I think they can see the symptoms, and then there's a simple sweat test. And the other thing I found out was, 50 years ago, the life expectancy was 8 years, and I think now it's 30 years. And it's just so heartbreaking to think about it. So here's a couple of TicTocs my daughter Sophia found that will really help us see and understand what it might be like to have cystic fibrosis. And I hope everyone has a great day today, and if you can, give $5 today. I think I'm gonna lower my goal. So, peace to you. The audio is going to be really bad, but I was thinking today, just now, I was out for a ride, that things like the Cystic Fibrosis Foundation, it's hard for us to really kind of understand and kind of really know what it's about, because those people, the people who are suffering with the condition aren't really visible to us. I was thinking about little Kaia, and that my friend Allie is her niece. So here's like a little one. Breaks my heart. And then this really cool guy. I don't know, man. He's a real doer and a great example for us all.
Are you ready? Set, go. Here it comes. It's okay. You're okay. Good girl. Good job.
Everybody's wondering why my voice gets shaky on this thing. Hello, beautiful people of the world. This is an explanation on why this jacket keeps me alive.
It's okay.
It's been 2 years since I've done one of these, so here we go. This jacket helps me keep my lungs clean because I have a lung disease called cystic fibrosis that I was born with. Basically, this jacket, other than being super cool looking, is also keeping me alive because I use it for my breathing treatments, taking care of yourself can be hard sometimes. So this is how it goes. This jacket is actually hollow, and these tubes right here are fitted on some nozzle hose guys. TikTok, don't take this down. That's not supposed to be a bad word. This guy, boom, bam, clip. And now, when you clip them both, you look like Octoman. Hello, Peter. Now you might be asking yourself, where does this go to? You blowing it? No. This guy. Oh, can't believe I picked that up with one arm. That's a picture of me. Don't look at it. It's a vest machine, and it helps me get the mucus out of my lungs by shaking them up and irritating them, and it's really fun and it sucks. This was actually a great example because I coughed and it was really gross and I gotta spit it out, so I spit it out into these. And you don't want to see that. Okay, gonna go on here. Boom, bop, latch. Clipped in here. We turn it on. Now prepare yourselves, this might get loud, so I'm going to be yelling at you. It's not that I mean you any harm, and not that I don't like you. And I will sound like Alvin in the gym. The air is going through the tubes into the jacket, which is filling up. So now, this is puffed up. Chemical settings on this bad boy. Speed it up, slow it down, so I can cough stuff up, clear my airways out, and be healthier. To remind you that you can be exactly who you want to be. And you can also be yourself in that process. So don't be ashamed of who you are or the things you gotta do to be healthy. I love you, I'm proud of you. You got friends and family that are supporting you. Be yourself. I love you guys.
So if you can give a couple of bucks today, $2 for no reason other than just to connect.